This is a short video on how to use the Bitcoin Block Clock app. First, you need to download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you download it, go ahead and click on the app, and it'll ask you if you want to receive notifications or not. I want to use some of the alarms, so I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. And when you first open the app, you'll see it comes with a lot of default data here. You can delete any of these clocks or data points by swiping left and hitting delete. I'm going to go ahead and delete them all for the sake of this video so we can start with a blank slate. So to add your first data point, click on Coin in your bottom left, choose your local currency. We support all of these currencies. I'm going to go ahead and choose the US dollar for now. Then you want to select your second currency. We support Bitcoin and all of the below cryptocurrencies. I'm going to go ahead and choose Bitcoin for now. And then choose what you want to see from the block data. I want to see sats. I don't care about volume. I want to see total Bitcoin. I don't care about total Bitcoin. I do want to see block height and hash rate. I don't care about the transmission rate. I do want to see block size. Go ahead and save that. And you can see it adds all the data we selected to our dashboard. I'm going to add another cryptocurrency here. This time I'm going to choose a different fiat currency. I'm going to choose the British pound. And I'm going to choose Ethereum. So save that, and you'll see it adds that to our clock also. Now I'm going to add some lightning data. And I am interested in only the new nodes in the last 24 hours and nodes with active channels, and then I'm going to save that. You can see it adds that lightning data. So now I'm going to add alarms. I want to alarm or notification when it halves and for large whale moves over 1,000 Bitcoins. I'm going to save that. Now you'll see alarms doesn't appear on the dashboard. That's saved internally. I'm going to add some stocks. So go to your ticker, choose your ticker symbol, input that. Let's add MicroStrategy. So I'm going to type that in, search, and there it is. Save that. I'm going to add another stock. Let's add Mara. This is a mining company, a Bitcoin mining company. We're going to go ahead and add that. You can see both of our stocks added here. Now I'm going to add a time, and I'm in the Pacific time zone, so I'm going to add that clock. Now we can add multiple time zones and clocks. I'm adding just one for now. I'm going to make it 24 hours. I'm going to add the full calendar, and I'm going to go ahead and save that. And so now you can see all the data that we added, all the data that we want to see on our clock. It's right here. Now let's fine-tune how our clock looks. To do that, we can go into our configuration settings. When we turn the clock on, we want it to stay on. We don't want it to time out, so I'm going to put on clock always on. We added Bitcoin news feed, which is really cool. You get to see updated news stories about Bitcoin every day. I'm going to change the font here to Optima. I'm going to change our theme to just the regular block clock theme. And then let's go back. And let's enable, you can see all the fonts changed. Let's go ahead and enable the clock. It's really easy to enable the clock. All you do is put it in landscape mode, and it will automatically enable the clock. You can see there, you can just leave it and it will scroll through all the data that we chose, real-time data. If you want, you can flip through it. If you want to scan through and try to find another data point, put it back in portrait mode and you get your dashboard. Let's go ahead and change a font. Let's use Futura. Let's choose our new matrix theme. Go back and see how that looks. See there's our matrix theme block clock. Same data points we chose. And let's choose another theme just for fun. Let's go into our font. We can choose Papyrus, and let's choose Bitcoin Orange. There you go. Multiple themes, multiple fonts, multiple data points, all free on the Apple and Google Play stores. Enjoy.